Welcome guys, Max from Storyline is here, and today I want to show you how you can actually make money from your Alexa skills. Basically, I'll be showing you how you can use in-skill purchasing to sell digital content inside your Alexa skill. So yeah, let's start. I'm creating a new skill. It would be a new custom skill. There is an option to start from a special template that we have prepared for you guys, but I will start from scratch just to show you around. And my skill would be giving you a couple of quotes and then asking to buy more quotes. So yeah, pretty simple skill. Let's call it inspirational quotes. Okay, so my basic skill is created, and right now I need to add some free content to it. According to Amazon guidelines, you can't actually charge for opening a skill, and the skill itself can be like a paid content. So at first, you need to provide some value to a customer by giving them a free content, and then you will be able to ask them to buy a premium content. So for my really simple skill, my free content would be just three quotes that I've just already copied to the welcome block. And right now I need to ask my user whether they want to get a couple of more quotes. And to do that, I'm just adding a new question. Do you want to get more quotes? So if my user answers yes, it needs to start actually kind of upselling the paid content. And to do that, I need to create a product first. So basically, you need to think about paid content as products. And here you can see a new tab in Storyline called Products. So I'll need to add one. And it opens up a form. It could look pretty complex from the first glance, but it's actually pretty simple. I will show you around. So basically, we need to start from the product name. So for me, it would be 3 bonus quotes. The next field is synonyms. You can skip this one, but I'll fill it out. So for me, it would be 3 quotes, bonus quotes, extra daily quotes, and so on. So I think 3 would be enough. And the next one is summary description. It's basically just a short description of your product. Let's go with 3 bonus quotes, includes 3 extra daily inspirational quotes. Okay, the next one is detailed description. I'll fill out something more broad one to describe what actually the product does, what does it consist of. So let's go with 3 bonus quotes. Expansion pack includes 3 extra inspirational quotes in addition to basic ones. And I'll also mention how regularly this product will be updated. So the set of quotes is regularly updated every day at midnight. Okay, so I'm done with the first section. The second one would be describing your pricing model. So basically, there are 2 types of products that you can sell right now. The first one is one-time purchase. So basically, it's when you kind of unlock new experience in a skill. It could be like a good example of that would be unlocking a new level in a game. So basically, you buy this access once and you can use it all over again, and you don't need to pay pay for it every month, every year. So it's like yours forever, right? So it's one-time purchase. And the second type of in-skill product would be subscription. So basically, it's pretty simple. You just choose a period, either monthly or yearly, and also you can add a trial, and your users would be charged on a regular basis. So I'll go with a subscription model for my skill. I'll go with the monthly charging period, and I'll also add a trial of 3 days. Okay, the next one is price. I'll go with $2. Pretty simple pricing. This one, I'll leave it like this one. Okay, the next step is example phrases. These guys are already filled out by Storyline automatically. So the next one is product icons. Okay, so I need to choose an icon for my skill. I'll go with this one. So basically, we have made a little bit of improvement into Storyline, and right now we automatically convert all the files that you upload. So basically, you don't need to find the perfect icon of a perfect size, of a perfect extension, right? So you can upload anything, and we'll transform it, we'll kind of rotate it, we'll convert it into a right format. So you don't really need to think about it. And also a nice feature is ability to auto-create a small icon from the large one, as I've just done. So basically you click on this arrow icon and it creates a small icon from your large icon. Okay, so I'm done with icons, and the very last step I need to do is product details. I need to fill out different keywords for my skill, for my product, sorry. And I'll start with something like clothes, inspiration, daily, inspiring, wise, extra, yeah, so something like that. In-app cart description is already filled automatically, and the purchase prompt. So the purchase prompt is the most important for me, I think, because it's actually the phrase that user hears when they decide to learn more about your product, right? So it's kind of like an upsell prompt, and mine would be something like 3 bonus quotes, expansion pack includes includes 3 daily inspirational quotes. Okay, so I'm done with the form. Privacy policy URL and testing instructions are automatically filled by Storyline. So I'm clicking create product button, and it's creating and synchronizing. Yep, so it's created right now. And the next thing I need to do here is to upload my skill to Alexa. So while it's uploading, I'll need to add my product to Canvas. To do that, I just need to click Add to Canvas button, and it's automatically created on the Storyline editor canvas. And right now I can actually route my skill, my users to it. So yeah, as you can see, the skill is uploaded to Alexa right now. And so yeah, as you remember, we have added the user replied yes here. And let's connect it to the 3 bonus quotes block. Yep, it's connected. So the next thing we need to do is double check that everything is correct. So I'm opening an upsell message. If you'd like to access the premium content, you can now get 3 bonus codes. Do you want to learn more? Yeah, sounds great. Going back, okay, so here I need to fill out 3 more fields that kind of act like handlers for different actions that user can take, can kind of do with your product. So I will start from the first one, from like the successful one. So basically, this action is triggered when user has decided and agreed to buy your product. Okay, so I'll go with actually not connecting to anything, but with creating a new block from it. Okay, so basically, when the user decides to buy a product, it will go to this block. Okay, so let's create just simple blocks for each of the situations. So the error one is when the user decided to buy a product, but something went wrong. It could be like something unexpected, like a wrong card, insufficient funds on a card, wrong country, so different geographical restrictions as well. So basically, you need to route your user to this block to handle this error. Okay, and the last one is declined. So basically pretty simple as well. This block is triggered when your user declined to buy a product, right? Let's fill this one out with something simple like some test data. My customer declined to buy a product. Okay, this one there was some error while buying a product. So this is just a test. You don't need to write these ones. Those ones need to be more kind of like real life examples. And basically, you need to route your users back to the scale after something bad happened. But I'll leave these guys here just for testing purposes, and we'll focus on the successful one. So basically here, I'll add a couple more quotes if the user decided to buy the product. Let's go with this one. Okay, here we go, and this one, and this one. Okay. Okay, so we're done with a pretty simple setup for your product, for your purchase. And let's test it out in Amazon console. To do that, I'll need to reload the page since I've created a new skill. Yep, it's here. So it's an inspirational quotes skill. Let's go to the test section and actually try to use this skill. To do it, let's go with open inspirational quotes. Okay, so here I see that it got to the welcome block. It also gave me 3 different quotes that I put there, and it asked me whether I want to get more quotes. Yes, of course, I want to get more quotes. Okay, so here we see if you'd like to access a premium content, you can now get 3 bonus quotes. Do you want to learn more? So basically here you can see an upsell message that you have specified here. And right now I have a choice, either to say yes or to say no. So I'm saying yes, so I'm pretty interested in buying this product. And this flow, starting from here, is handled completely by Amazon. So these guys are telling your customer about a trial period, about the subscription, about different price models and stuff, about cancellations. So these guys handle everything on their side. And the question is, should I start your free trial? Of course, yes, I am kind of into the product, but let's test our decline flow first. So I'd say no, I don't want to start my free trial. It says no problem. You can ask me to sign up for 3 bonus quotes anytime. So this phrase is handled on Amazon's side, and this one is what we have specified in storyline. So customer declined to buy a product. Just our test Alexa reply. Okay, so let's play with the skill once again, and basically buy the product. Okay, so open inspirational quotes. Gives me the same thing, and I'm really wanting more quotes right now, and I'm wanting to learn more as well. And I also want to start my free trial. Okay, so great, you are signed up. Yeah, so great, you are signed up. It's a phrase from Amazon itself. And the next one, as you can see, it automatically went to the successful block here. So yeah, we have just bought a product. One more thing that I want to show you right now is that that case when a user has already bought a product and it got to this purchase block. So let's see what happens. So I have already bought a product, as you can see, and I'm opening the skill once again right now. Open inspirational quotes. Okay, so I want more quotes. So basically, I'm saying yes, and because I've already bought a product, it kind of storylines kind of skips this block and goes jumps straight into the success block. So it gave me these premium quotes upfront. So yeah, that's the basic flow that you can create, and you can create different kind of stuff with it. I really recommend you guys to try kind of start with a template that we have prepared for you, because it will show you some basics. You can see how what's the best guidelines for creating skills with products. You can see what's the best way to write an upsell message, what's the best way to write a purchase prompt. So I'd really recommend you to start from the purchases template. So yeah, that's it. That's in skill purchasing, and yeah, see you in the next video.